So guys, update on the truck. I actually got the gauge working finally. Check that out. Ended up being a damn fuse had popped in the fuse panel. So I mean, now I just have to try to figure out my compressor situation. Why it is not kicking on, I'm not 100% sure. So if any of you guys out there actually know anything about air ride systems, definitely comment, leave me some likes, and hopefully you can help me out with this so I can get this thing back on the road again. It just sucks sitting right here in the driveway, just not moving. So, yeah, definitely just, like I said, comment and leave me some comments and let me know what's going on. Alright guys, peace out.